statesmen here present, ladies and gentlemen, permit me to congratulate my Lord, Justice Oluwade, on this special occasion. I'd like to thank you, sir, for using your intellectual capacity to expand the scope of criminal justice administration in Nigeria. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Permit me to take up the challenge of our father here, my brother, Chief Olawale, and also our father, the elder statesman, Chief Kano Agabi, that we should bring back all the money. Now, of course, you know this is my jurisdiction. My office is right opposite here. I'm Domonile here. Now, I have a compendium of rich men in Nigeria here in this hall. And they say charity must begin at home. So, sir, before I go abroad, let's do one start here. And it will start this afternoon. So as you are going, my men are around. There are some people who have been on my watch list. So we just reload ourselves to my facility. And the work will begin. Do you agree with me? Do I have a witness in the house? Thank you very much. There's no doubt in the fact that one of the major problems we have in this country is financial crime. No, there's no doubt in that part. Talk of insecurity, talk of lack of economic development, talk of poverty, it's financial crime. And I think the time has come for us to join hands. And I'd like to particularly thank the Judiciary represented here this afternoon for their support in this fight. Even though we crave for more support, there are areas where we are still pleading with them. And I say this because I'll give you an example. It's not until you become a victim, directly now, a direct victim of financial crimes, you won't understand the depth and the enormity of destruction to humanity. As Nigerians, all of us are general victims. But when one of these boys who you think, people say, why am I doing Yahoo? Why am I not going after the big ones? We are going after the big ones. We have had cause to convict ex-minister. We have had cause to convict ex-PAMSEC in the last 3 months. But I tell you, I will not also stop about those people you call Yahoo. And I tell you, about the wreck is probably more than what you can imagine. Sometimes last year, I had a distress call at about 1 a.m. from one of the states in the South. From a judge. At 1 a.m. What was the problem? She has just been scammed of the money she has been putting together for 6 years to send, I won't use he or she, to send the child to school in the UK. The Lord told me that money has been saved for 6 years. What happened, my Lord? She just woke up now, and in fact, it was the alert that woke her up. She received debit notes. At such an hour of the day. Was it that the bank was at work, or what was going on? Before she knew it, she had been scammed of about 7.2 million naira. So she put the distress call and called to me. Said, I need to do something, Chairman, do something. Incidentally, it was a state where they got an order against the EFCC from investigating certain crimes or state finance, whatever. So I said, my Lord, I have an injunction not to investigate financial crimes in that state. He said, no, this is an exception. You must investigate this one, this part. You understand the point I'm trying to draw out? When you become a direct victim, eventually we rose up to the task. Before 6 p.m. the following day, we recovered the entire money for her. I'm very sure if an application comes before that, my Lord, to stop the EFCC from carrying out its mandate, she will refuse it. because she has become a victim. So it's important for us to understand the depth of these problems. Are you talking of insecurity? Recently, we had to prosecute 5 charges against close to about 17 people who are involved in helping the terrorists, the bandits, to launder ransom. Caught them using the POS terminal and operating within the town, within the cities. And we are shouting. People are being killed and all of that. This is the foundation of the problems. Not until as Nigerians we come together and agree for once that let's face this challenge. Law enforcement will do our bit. Citizens, let's do our bit. The judiciary will do their bit. And before you know it, we put this problem behind us. We can do it. Nigeria can do it. And we will do it and we will succeed. So on this note, I want to thank you, sir, for giving us this opportunity. And I'd like to draw your attention to a new development, what we call AI. It's an aspect of the work you have done, but we need more work to be done here. Now, we have already started deploying the use of AI for investigation already. And so what I'm cracking my brain about is how do I generate evidence and make it admissible? It's a bit different from what Section 84 and all of that can handle. Because now you talk of a robot. Is a robot a human being or an electronic device? Doing the work of a human being. Robot can think for you now. Robot can do anything human being can do. And so we are looking at that area. I wish our legislators, parliamentarians, and our professors of law, the think tank, put a committee together to look at that and come up with laws that will help us in the area of AI.